That what you wine they call Hiccup. They say for drink water, say I don't drink water, but never go still.
Now final bus stop. I don't. Final bus stop.
So we need drug.
No. Drug na waste of time. We get quick way they use to am when you go instantly.
Hey, thank God.
They call me Dr. Dugu.
Dr. Dugu.
It's okay. It's Dr. Dugu. How do you feel?
What is that? Sorry.
How you feel now?
Feel what?
You be like say don't go. You don't go. True. You don't go. My girlfriend gets her.
If you try him, stop that. This was my I will scatter it now. Just try him.
Dr. Dugu, are you not ready? What? I wish you don't get him again.
Get what? Try him, let me show you something.
Okay. What?
Try it, let me show you something.
Come on, my son. Nonsense. Come on, my son. Dr. Dugu is on duty.
Because I never make it. Let me kill you.
I never see you finish. Come on, my son.
I'll carry you on this small.
Come on.
Carry you on this
Nonsense, you're small strength.
Dr. Dugu is doing his work.
Which of the Dr. Dugu?
Carry you on this small stuff.